Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create your first Google Classroom. So first you need to go on classroom.google.com or on this. After here you might see a pop-up. You're going to click continue. Then you need to click on this plus and click create class. You need to say I've read and understood the notice above. Then click continue. So you need a name for your class. So it could be any class you want. You could add a section, a subject, or a room. Then you're going to click create. So right now I've created my class. So as you can see, it has everything that you might need right now. So if you want to share something with your class, you could click here and then add whatever. You could share it with all the students or with a particular one. You could add files and you could post it at a particular time. Then we've got the class code, and you could also copy the invitation link right here. Then we could select a theme. So it could be whatever. It could be it's here by themes like arts, math and science, English history, whatever you want. Or you could actually upload a photo of your own. So here we've got classwork. So right here we're gonna assign. I'm gonna talk about this in 1 second. Just exactly 1 second. So next we got the people section. So right now I'm the only teacher. There's no students because I've just created the classroom. So what you need to do is click here to either invite teachers, so you can type a name or email, or students. You could also send the students the invitation link, or as you saw in the beginning, the class code. Then we've got the marks, which I'll talk about a little later. So I will show you how to create the first homework. So first I'm going to talk about the assignments. So when you click create and then click assignments, it will show you a little things you could do. So you need to add a title to your assignment. So it could be work. You could add instructions. So you could do that. You could say whatever you want to your students. Then you could add a file, and you could create Google Docs, slides, sheets, drawings, or forms for the students to use. Then you'll see the drafts and the Google Docs when it's done on the students. This is a specially built-in feature in Google Classroom that I personally think is very, very, very useful. So then you could choose, if you have multiple classes, you could choose what classroom you want to assign it to what students, or no, I don't have any students, so it's going to be all students, how much points or unmarked, a due date, it could be anything, a time, even a time, and a topic. And you could also create a rubric. So you could either save a draft or discard the draft. You could also schedule the assignment, or you could assign it right away. So I'm going to assign it right away. And right now I have it right here. Every single person that's in the class could see it. There will be work when the students are there. Will say handed in, and how much people are assigned. Then I'm just going to show you how to do the other work. So you could create a quiz assignment. So this would be a Google form that you need to edit and add questions. Same thing, just with the Google form. Next we got the question. So this is just a question with a short answer or a multiple choice. And then there's same thing, except you have this over here, so students can reply to each other or students can edit answers. So this is your choice. Then we've got the material. So also same thing, title, description, you could add a file, create everything the same. Then we got the reuse post, so I can reuse a post I've already done and change it a little, so I could say I could reuse it and create copies of all new attachments. It's all your choice. You could add a topic, which was, as you saw in the create, you could see the topics. So right now I'm going to add an example student to the classroom, and I'm going to answer my own work, and I will show you how it looks like for the teacher.
One eternity later.
So as you can see right now, if I click on this, I could see the example student, so me, has submitted, and there's 0 assigned and 1 handed in. So I could check, if I click on this, I could actually check the work. So this is just random stuff. This is a comment bank, and you could mark it. Obviously, you could change total points. You could add private comments for the student. And then you could schedule, you could return multiple submissions or only this submission, and you could just, I'm gonna mark 50 out of 50, and then I'm gonna return it to myself. And right now it has just been returned, so the student should be able to see the mark. And later, actually, the marks, you could check all of the marks of the students and then compare them for report cards or whatever you could use. So that's it. Those were the basics of how to create Google Classroom and how to use it. Thank you for viewing this video. If you like this video, kindly consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and have a great day.